be right back.
What are you doing?
Coming down.
What is it?
Some kind of cable trapper scrambling, running from the pole into the house.
Maybe it's a job for Special Agent Pendrell in the Psych Crime Lab.
Yeah.
You want it analyzed?
Yeah, I'll do it. It makes more sense for you to go down and interview Helene Reddock. Get her version of the story. Maybe she knows what this thing is. Is there a problem with that?
No, that's fine.
Stay in touch.
It looks a lot like a standard video trap for blocking premium cable channels.
What does this one block?
Amazingly, it doesn't seem to block anything.
And what does it do? Glad you asked. I bet all you guys were officers in the audio-visual club in high school, huh?
This is the straight feed off our bars and tone generator. And here are the bars and tone as attenuated through the device.
It looks the same.
Well, that's what you'd think.
We couldn't discern any difference between the feeds, not until we compared them on the oscilloscope.
It still looks the same.
Hold on to your hat, dude. We have touchdown.
So they're different. So they're different.
You know the way television works.
Yeah, you click it on, you get a picture.
It's a rapid series of still pictures fired against the tube.
There's something non-standard here in the vertical blanking interval. Information that's being added into the spaces between the still pictures.
What kind of information?
We don't know.
This is as far as we could get with this equipment.
Well, can you take it apart?
Not without destroying it completely. That's by design.
An amazingly sophisticated design. But all we can say for sure is...
This device is emitting a signal.